Yes, sir. Let me just refresh. Anyways, the time is will be up in next 3 minutes. I'm not aware why. Sams, are you here? Okay. So, for I don't know, for some, I think internet issues or something, Sams are not there in the meet, right? So what I'll do is, let's start with discussing the answers. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So on the top, Srijit sir, you are on the top in terms of grade. I'm not sure what score Sam sir will land upon, but at least you are on the top as of now.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll consider your example itself. I'll just share my screen now. So is the screen visible?
Yeah.
Cool. So the first question was as follows: digital evidence is volatile. I mean, the first question was a very interesting and a good question, right? Very easy peasy. Start was very easy peasy. Then four phases involved in handling of digital evidence. So here, by the name, I had written four, but the two steps were merged. Acquisition and preservation was in one. So technically, you have to select three. That's correct. And the 5 points were given for this question. Okay. In the identification phase, the preliminary information is obtained about the cybercrime case prior to collecting the digital evidence. Yes. Now, next. The evidence sought will depend on the crime under investigation. It means that depending upon the crime, it will be, differentiated, right? So, yes. Now, here, with respect to cybercrime, the crime scene is limited to physical location
Oh,
of.
oh. No, no, it is not limited. Yes.
Exactly. So they are the only one word was the difference. Right. So that's all. That's all. That just focus on this limited word, and it was a false. Right. Now, thus first responder is also correct. Absolutely correct. So, sir, you have actually 41 on 45.
Hmm.
Then, what is needed throughout the entire investigation process? Documentation. Right. Then SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. That's also correct. SOP helps in refining. This was, I guess, it may be confusing, but the entire course, I mean, the entire third module was dealing with admissibility, so it's easy. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Now, a standard operating procedure is designed to assist investigators by including the policies and sequential acts that they should follow. Right. So yeah, it's true. So that they can actually prove the admissibility in the court of law. Unique constraints that that could be encountered during investigation should be identified. Which phase resembles it? So it's collection phase. That's absolutely correct. Now, here what I think uh, just forgot the name. Yeah, Kiladi sir, what mistake I think I've done over here is the term identified. So you have just chosen identification. So identified, this word was there. I mean, I knew that it could create a confusion, but the actual answer is collection. If the source is off, then it remains off, and special collection strategies such as live acquisition is adopted to extract the evidence. Yes, true. The actual collection of evidence involves preservation of volatile evidence and powering down of digital devices. Yes, true. Now, this is again in addition to the digital devices, other relevant items such as notebooks, etc., passwords information should also be collected. Yes, true. It should be collected. Now, here also, who I don't know. I think it's Khiladi sir. I saw your response. There exists singular and centralized. Singular and centralized. So, is there any singular? I mean, there is only one approach for performing acquisition. So, see, I'll just go to acquisition phase. Over here, I have I mean, all the questions maximum are you can say taken from here. Yeah, see, different approaches to perform, right? So there is no singular or centralized. So it's false. The procedure for acquire computer hard drive is different from procedure. Yes, mobile and computer is different. Digital evidence should be acquired in a manner that it does not preserves the integrity. Does not. It should preserve the integrity, right? So false. To achieve this, the tools and techniques used to acquire the evidence must prevent alterations. NIST, it's absolutely correct, has a searchable digital forensik tools database with tools with various functionalities. Now, the digital forensic analyst does acquire data from the primary source. Sir, the answer to this is false. Primary source is not taken. The clone copy is taken. Duplicate is made of that device, and the analyst works on the physical copy. This is false. So I mean, here it's absolutely clear that the same was the question, but in a different form. Duplicate copy of the content of digital evidence imaging is created before a dynamic acquisition is conducted. Now, may I know exactly? Here again, there was one single word to focus. It's not dynamic acquisition; it's static acquisition is conducted. So I think this question was repeated, I guess. No. Yeah, here static is there. Once it was dynamic and once it was static. Yes. Now, sir, see here. Okay, here I think 1 point should be added. It's 42 then. By mistakenly, the answer is cryptographic hash value. It's correct, but why it's showing a salted hash? Salted hash is wrong answer. What you have chosen is correct. So, sir, it's 42 over here. Okay. It was my fault. I chose A, but B is the correct answer. Cryptographic hash value is calculated. There are two types of extractions performed: physical and logical. Right. MD5, sir, it's not an option. Basically, cryptographic hash value. So that cryptographic hash value could be then MD5, SHA-256. All are inclusive then over there. So physical and logical. It's correct. Then over here, primary extraction, you can say, may be conducted using, all answers are correct. Sorry, not all. Sorry, A, B, C, and F. So it was keyword searches, file carving, header footer analysis, and unallocated space. Malware analysis is not a part of this. So just one tick mark was left. 27, a logical extraction may result in the loss of metadata. Yes, true. The type of logical extraction conducted does not depend on the digital evidence file system, appliance on the device and the operating system. False. It does depend. A document which mentions the process and the persons from which evidence was transferred. COC, chain of custody. And yeah, in the last question, documentation, what a documentation should include, every option was a correct answer. You have to select all 4. So, sir, you land up at 42. Okay. So, well, I guess, I mean, it's not a need to open each and every, submission. So 1 plus 1 score is added in every one bucket. So, due to the fact that there was a negative marking for that salting question. So plus 1 for everyone, 42. Khiladi sir, 31. Pulkit sir, 40. Okay. And I was just expecting, I just wanted to see the, you can say, marks of Den sir also. But anyways, Sam sir, I mean, not sure. Due to some internet issues, he just got disconnected or somewhat. I'm not sure. Okay. So anyways, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to share a PDF also of these questions. Okay. Inside the 3rd module. In this classes folder. Sorry, not classes, but in the folders where you have the notes, right? In folders, inside the 3rd module, you will get a PDF. You can say a solution sample. Okay, with the correct answers, PDF. So you can, re-refer to the questions later also that you had given this quiz. Okay, so I have actually downloaded. I just have to, fill down the answers for this, I guess. So let me just once check. Yeah, see. So whatever questions that were present in the quiz, I'll just, mark this off and provide you the solution template in the Edmodo. Okay. Now you all, it's almost a time up for the class also. Now you all let me know, how was your experience? What do you feel? Are these things useful? Are these things, quiz and everything is useful or not useful?
Very much.
Right. See, because because being a trainer, we are also students, right? So we as students also do understand that listening to a live session, okay, it's a thing. But when something is asked about that live session, we nearly remember anything about it well. Now, I had declared that there is a quiz. That's the reason at least you all people try to probably, open up the notes and see. And I'm pretty well sure that when you are going through the notes, there might be certain, or you can say there might be a lot of things that you may say, oh, okay, this was covered, this was covered, this was covered. At times you may feel, was this covered or not? Right, these are the some, kind of things that may happen. The only reason for conducting these kind of assessments and quizzes and all is to give you, a concrete learning, right? So whatever you're investing your time, your funds, it should be utilized properly. So whatever, I'm just saying throughout the 1 hour, throughout the entire class, that it should be implemented well. That should be understood well. That's the reason only can be done when you actually try to implement it yourself. So let me know your, suggestions about the quiz. Did you enjoy it? And obviously, if you all are okay with it, we'll, keep conducting these quizzes in between.
Sure, we'd love to.
Definitely. So that's cool. And I hope every one of you enjoyed the quiz well, and everyone has scored, well, very well. Everyone has scored very well, right? It's not something, it was, below the expectations or something. Everyone has scored very well. So only Khiladi sir, your that I saw response, the only area in which it was lacking is not the fact that answers were wrong, was the fact that in terms of where there were multiple answers, all the answers were not selected. That's the only area of the drawback. Rest everything was, like absolutely well and perfect. Okay, so that's all for then today's class. I hope you enjoyed this particular quiz, and you'll also make sure that I'll add the solution template over there. Okay, so thanks a lot for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, yes, I missed a few points. It's okay, sir. At least we learned that what are the things that we need to keep in the mind from the next time, right? So I'm pretty well sure now, if someone asks you even the midnight the questions from this quiz, you will be able to answer, because these are now in your long-term memory.
Well, I was
Because you yourself have worked upon it, right? So that's the only fact.
old SD.
So thanks a lot for joining, and we'll see tomorrow for the ones outside. So now Sam sir is not there today, so I won't say have a good day, but everyone are from India, so have a good night, everyone. See ya tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.